It took me 2 good years to get my 4,000 watch hours on this channel. And if you don't know what you are doing during this time, you're actually going to get discouraged and think YouTube is not working. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to get your 4,000 watch hour. I've tried this strategy before, and in 7 days, I got 2,000 watch hours. And if you do it the right way, you're actually going to get your 4,000 watch hours within the next 14 days. Hey, my name is Michael, and in this channel, I make videos on how to make money online, business tips on how to grow your business online. And if this is what you are interested in, kindly do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube is going to notify you of the video. There's this platform called Restream.io, and with this platform, you are going to gain your 4,000 watchtower very fast within the next couple of days. So let me quickly show you how it works, because I want to make sure this video don't take much of your time. So make sure you stay tuned and watch every part of this video so that you can understand the whole process on how it's been done. I'm going to be using my mobile phone to show you how it works, and if you want me to do the same step on PC, let me know in the comment section. On your mobile phone, you go to Google search and then you search for Restream.io, and it's going to take you over to their website. Make sure it is this one that have this logo right here and not this one, because they are not doing the same work. So you click on this Restream.io, you're probably going to have an account with them. You sign up with your Google or your email and password. So I already signed up. I'm still going to take you to process of how to connect your YouTube channel to this platform, and it's what you can do on your phone without any stress. And the benefit of this platform is that you're actually going to get your 4,000 watch time very fast by restreaming your old videos you have posted on your channel. And make sure you listen to me very carefully. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how to do this the right way so that YouTube don't query you of reused content. So make sure you watch every part of this video so that you can understand the whole process. Now let me show you how to connect your channel to this platform. First of all, you click on these 3 dots right here. You can see I've already connected my channel. If you have not connected any channel to this, you will see channels. Then you click on channel. Then it's going to take you over to this page to add a new channel. Then I'll click on add channel. So I'm going to click on YouTube. I'm going to choose one to connect the YouTube channel. So let's say I choose this one right here and then choose to connect my YouTube channel with this one. As you can see, it says this channel is not eligible yet for live streaming. Yes, this is probably a new channel I'm trying to grow on YouTube, so it's not eligible yet for live stream. That is the practical way on how to connect your channel to this platform. When you are done connecting your channel, then it's going to take you to this page where you will see new stream, and you are going to click on this new stream to start a new streaming. You will click on this Restream Studio, then it's going to take you to the Stream Studio. As you can see, I'm already in the studio right now, so I'm going to put it in normal standard mode for YouTube, which let me first add a scene. Then I will click on add scene, which is going to be media scene. Then I will click on this full screen because I don't want to use my camera. Then after you add a media scene, you will still need to add a source where your video is going to be coming from. Then you click on add source. You are going to see extra camera, video presentation, local video, image, RTMP source, and settings. Click on local video. You can select any video you want to stream to your YouTube channel. Then I'm going to select this video right here. It's going to add this video to the screen now. You can see, but let me click to pause it right now because of the audio. Now all you need to do is click on this 3 dot button right here. You click on this 3 dots, you can see it right here. Then you can increase the volume right here or decrease the volume. The main important thing that we need Restream.io for is this looping option. When you turn on this loop video, then it's going to be repeating your video over and over, and that is why I said you can stream while you are sleeping, and this is going to help you gain a lot of watch time within short period of time. So you are going to click on this loop video to start over when the video is finished, and the next thing right here to do is to add your channel. You click on add channel. I'm going to click on this one to add my channel. Then I'll toggle that one on. Then I click on save. Then it's going to be added to the main screen. You can see right here my YouTube icon is now showing right here, and what I need to do is to click on this pencil button. I can add the title. Let's say how I make money with crypto arbitrage trading. Then I'm going to click on save. After you are done with the settings, then you can see right here to click on go live. If you go and check my YouTube channel right now, you will see that I'm currently doing live on YouTube. So that is just the basic things you're actually going to be doing, and I'm going to end this stream right now. When you are done, you want to end the stream, then you click on end stream right here to end this stream. So that is that about how to stream using this platform to your YouTube channel and gain a lot of watch hour. This video I go live with is already posted on my YouTube video about a year ago. Okay, so if you have a video like that, just go and take them, download them to your computer or your phone, then you can go over on CapCut or any other editing app you are using to merge them together. You don't need any editing too much. Make sure your video is long, at about 30 minutes long, 35 minutes, 40 minutes long, and then you download it, then you take it to restream.io to stream it back to your YouTube. And then once it's done, post it back to your YouTube. You can actually do this thing for like 8 hours long, and then imagine you're getting 300, 400, 500 people watching your live, and for 8 hours. Imagine how many watch time you're actually going to be getting. So thanks for watching this video, and if you really have value from this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. And another video is showing right now about how to make money online with Fiverr, and if you are looking for more ways to make money online, click on this video and watch this video right now. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll meet you in my next video.